Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give review on another product of for Hero GoPro 12. The product is battery pack. This is one of the accessories, most important accessories for the like content makers, because they are making a lot of contents, like especially when they are outside, when they are traveling and they are making content. So this product is made by Vemico and they're very famous one in Amazon. So current price is $32.99 and there is a sale going on, so you can check it out. And this one is especially, this says it works for Hero 12. I have a Hero 12, GoPro Hero 12. So, and it works with all like Hero 12, 11 and 10, 9. So all those Hero, and they're giving 3 battery pack plus 1 charging case. Let's open the charging case. So this is the charging case and these are the batteries. So friends, in this video I'm gonna do the testing, like I'll use like one of the battery and check how long extra, like how the battery life is. So that test I'll be doing in this video. And here is one more thing, this is the charger. So let me see, this is a USB-C charger, so which is great. So before doing the testing, let me tell you some features of this product. Is this product, they are saying it's a lot of protection they have built in, like overcharge protection, short circuit protection, heat protection. Like sometimes, I don't know if you guys noticed or not, sometimes the camera get too hot, so they have overheat protection and short circuit protection. So those kind of protection they have inbuilt with these batteries, and you can charge the batteries all together, which is great. And the other thing is, like you can connect directly to USB charger, like in a wall with USB charger. Also you can connect it to power bank and you can charge it, plus car charger, you can use car charger, and you can also charge it from your laptop. So all those kind of things, like if it is USB, you can charge it. So I'm gonna charge it, like I'm gonna give a full charge. Always it's better when you have new battery, like any rechargeable battery, it's better to always give a full charge and then use it. So I just put all those in the battery pack, which is nice, you can see. Before I go to charge the product, I want to tell you that they are giving 1 year warranty, 12-month warranty, so which is great. And this is the warranty card, so make sure you keep it and follow the instruction. So first let me charge it, then I will do the testing. So first I want to connect it to my computer, so this will be one test. It's just for temporary basis. I just want to make sure that it's working, like it's charging as expected, like as they mentioned. So you can see the lights glowing. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see the lights are glowing, so that means it gets charging from, it's charging from the computer, so that's working. So I have a power bank. Now I want to connect it to the power bank and see if it is charging. Yes, you can see it's charging. It gets charged from power bank too. So anywhere you can give charge, and 3 batteries are getting charged at the same time, which is very good. And the pack is really nice, it's very small. Even you can see that it is smaller than the power bank, so which is really great. And now I'm gonna connect it to the power outlet, so you can see it is charging. The only thing is they are not giving any charger, so you have to use your own USB charger. That's the only thing. So let it put it in charge, then I'll do the test. So friends, my batteries are fully charged, and now I'm going to test. I'll put it in the Hero GoPro camera. So I'm going to put it in the battery case, in the camera, and want to see do the testing, like how long it's gonna work, how long it can make the video record. So, and I'll be just putting in normal video mode, 4K, and see how long it works. So friends, I just turn it on, and I want to put it regular video mode, 4K, 30 frame per hour linear, and I am gonna put it like this. So it is in record mode. Let's see how long it can record. And battery rate is showing 98%. I'm not sure why it is showing 98% because I just charged it, so it should show 100%, but it's showing 98%. So let's put it there and let's see. So friends, let's check how much it is. So already you can see it is recorded 21 minutes, and right now the battery life is showing 25%. So battery life is showing 25%. Now it is 24%. So it seems to me that it will go 5 more minutes maybe, and let's see how long it will go. So friends, if you see, now battery life is 4%. So I'm gonna stop it right now. So it's almost 27 minutes it can record continuously. So it's already 3%. I'm gonna stop it now. I don't want to run through, make it 0. So almost 27 minutes you can use this battery. And so I'm gonna try with other 3. So it's like 25 minutes, let's say you'll get. So extra 75 minutes video recording you can do with these 3 battery packs, so which is good. And my next test will be when all 3 batteries are done, like fully empty, like how long it takes to charge it. So let me do that test. So friends, for the second one, it's coming almost same. If you see here, 27 minutes and 7%. So it may last longer, 1 more minute. And when I install this battery, it started with 100%. So this one is good. Maybe it will last longer, 30 minutes, close to 30 minutes it will go. So now I'm gonna test the third one. So friends, this is the performance test for third battery. So now it is 4% and 25 minutes 30 seconds. So I'm turning it off. So on an average, each battery we saw it's 27 minutes, but I will take 25 minutes. So extra 75 minutes you can use it, so which is great for 30 bucks. When you are making videos, you are getting 75 minutes, means 1 hour 15 minutes battery life. So I'm gonna put it in full charge in the wall charger, and I'll test like how long it takes to get fully charged. So that will be another test, and then I can let you know. So let's put it. So I'm putting it in the wall charger, and you can see all of them are red. So I'll wait for them to be fully charged, and we'll see how long it takes to get fully charged. So I'll see. And I'm using a standard charger, Apple iPhone charger, so that's fast enough. And let's see how long it takes to fully charged. So friends, you can see it's almost like 2 hours and still 3 red, 3 green, 1 red. This one is still red, so I'll be waiting to see how long it is taking to charge. So friends, if you see, the whole night it was in charge, and it's showing 1 red. I think it is 1 red, yeah, all other are green. So I think it's fully charged, but I cannot actually tell how long it takes, because I put it in charge for a whole night and still it is showing red. So friends, that's all about this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. Thank you. Have a good day.